Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Currently, Samsung Galaxy S23 promotional materials purported in the early January launch date for the 2023 Bond flagships. And we finally have the memorial screen protectors for next year's Samsung Galaxy S23 series with us. While there have been plenty of leaks detailing the Galaxy S23 series, internet there have been no memories about their possible release date. If the last few launch cycles are anything to go by, one can expect Samsung to unveil its 2023 flagship sometime between late January and February. However, a new leak suggests that one could get their hands on a shiny new Galaxy S23 a lot earlier. Twitter leaker Orexta has posted what appears to be promotional material from KT, South Korea's second largest network provider. One can supposedly pre-book the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus as early as December 23 with pre-orders set to start on January 5. Early adopters will get pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for their purchase. Interestingly, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the most powerful smartphone of the lot, is missing from the poster. The poster also suggests that the registration period would end on January 5, 2023 and may be followed by a pre-order period starting on the same day. In other words, the next major unpacked event for the Galaxy S23 series may have been scheduled for January 5, 2023. As a reminder, registering does not require interested buyers to pay any fees. Registration allows customers to show interest in an upcoming product and possibly get better place in the queue once pre-orders go live. Several leaks and rumors so far have claimed that the upcoming S23 series will approach the camera design from a different angle compared to the previous years, or more especially all three S23 variants will borrow the camera design language from the S22 Ultra. They will have no camera hub but minimalist individual circular pullouts for each rear-facing sensor. This alleged KG promotional poster seemingly confirms those reports, albeit the word confirmed may be a bit of scratch because we cannot verify the last validity. Nevertheless, the S23 and S23 Plus as shown in this allegedly poster each have three rear-facing cameras surrounded by metallic rings. The back panels appear glossy similar to the Galaxy S22 series, and the S23 Plus retain the green color option from this year's model. The poster also indicates that pre-orders customers may get a pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earbuds for free or for a lower price. Although pre-orders bonuses can differ by the market, the alleged Galaxy S23 pre-order date implies that Samsung will unveil the trio of smartphone on January 5. That is a bit too early, and for Samsung, who only recently shifted from a March launch cycle to January or February, Samsung may have the leeway to adjust its schedule this time, given that Qualcomm also plans to unveil the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset in November. Plus, there are no Exynos variants to worry about this time unless Samsung upper management has its way with the lack of the Galaxy S23 Ultra on the poster. Notwithstanding, evil eye Twitter users have noticed a few issues with the S23 and its S23 Plus images shown on the poster. The edges don't line up properly and the camera module look remarkably different from the picture. Hence, one should treat the above information with caution and wait for Samsung or at least a more reputable leaker to reveal more about the Galaxy S23 launch date. Well, Samsung announced the S23 series on January 5 at the end of this alleged registration period. Previous reports said that the company intends to bring the upcoming flagship to the market earlier rather than later to close the S22 chapter and leave the Geo scandal behind as soon as possible. Time will tell. Meanwhile, the S23 and is S23 Plus reported on the website ahead of the global launch. Samsung is rumored to have scheduled an early 2023 release for the Galaxy S23 series. Even if that rumor holds true, it seems that people will be able to purchase compatible cases and screen protectors ahead of the true release. So what do you guys think about the upcoming S23 free lineup? Will Samsung announce the Galaxy S23 series on January 5 at the end of this alleged registration period? You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.